Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? What's up, Power Family? How you guys doing? What's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? This is the Power 99 FM here, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Lenovo laptop. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video with the Power 99 FM. Here we go. I'm going to be unboxing this sweet laptop. This is going to be nice. Can't wait to unbox this. Oh yeah. Lenovo laptop. Here we go. Right here. So, Lenovo. Right there. I think it's upside down, is it? No, it looks like it. Oh, it is upside down. I knew it was. I knew it was upside down. Yeah, but there's the Intel inside right there. The logo. Okay, so these are the specs right here. Here, let me inch it up closer so you can see the specs, because I know it's all about the specs. People love the specs. It's all about the specs. People care about the specs too much. I don't really care about specs all that much. I'm not really spec crazy. Most people are. It's a Lenovo laptop. It has an Intel Celeron 1.1 gigahertz CPU. It has 2 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Oh, it has DDR4 RAM. It has 32 gigabyte of storage SSD. The display is a 14-inch HD display, and it comes with Windows 10 Home Edition. The Amazon ad said it has a 32 gigabyte SSD, but a 32 gigabyte SSD is too small. So I think it has 32 gigabytes of flash memory, because the 32 gigabyte SSD seems too small. So it would make more sense that it has 32 gigabytes of flash memory. That it would make more sense to have that than a 32 gigabyte SSD. Lenovo IdeaPad is an IdeaPad. Lenovo IdeaPad. Model number is 8185. 8185. Yeah, that's the model number. 8185. It cost about $197, so it came to about $200 in total. It's not too bad. So I'm gonna open this up here right now. I'm gonna take a look inside. Okay. I guess I don't need a knife for this, I guess. Okay, so let's see what's inside this laptop. Oh, the charger's right over there. I'll get that in a minute. Oh. Okay. This is the charger right here. Comes with one of these. Comes with one of these chargers right here. One of these nice little chargers. Like this. And the box is, yeah, it's empty. There's nothing in the box. Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? Hello? If you are, come out now. Hello? I guess nothing else is in the box. Okay. So, take off this cover, put that over there. comes some instruction manuals, right there, instruction. Quick, well, it comes with a quick setup, safety warranty guide, right there. I don't need that. And then it has a little Lenovo support telephone. I think Lenovo is Chinese company or Japanese company. I think it's a Chinese company. I googled it one time. I think it's a Chinese company or a Japanese company. It's either one. It's Chinese or Japanese. I forget at the moment which one it is. And here it is, the Lenovo laptop. I take out the plastic little baggie. Right there. And here it is, the Lenovo laptop. Right there. Look at that. That is pretty sweet. That is pretty nice. Look at that. That is pretty damn nice. Oh, it's a fingerprint magnet, but that's okay. Windows 10 Home Edition. Model number is 8185. Yep. And it has, let's see, power port right there. Right there, power port. USB 3.0 port, I do believe. HDMI port and a micro USB port. And over here is another USB port and a headphone jack and a micro SD card slot. But it has two USB SS ports. I think SS stands for super speed. I think yes. I think SS is 3.0 or SS might be another type of USB port. I forget. I have to Google it. I can't remember. I used to know. I just can't remember right now. So I'm gonna open it up right now, and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay. So here we go. It has a webcam up top as well. That's really nice. Wow, that is nice. That is nice. Wow, that is nice. Yep, webcam up top. Nice keyboard, nice strap bag. Nice. It's just everything about this laptop is nice. Look at that. Look at that. That is nice. I like that, man. I like that a lot. That is really, really, really nice. That's a really nice laptop. Yeah, I do a little pan shot real quick around the laptop. Oh, let me take this like this. Come on. There we go. Okay. Look at that. That is nice. That is pretty damn sweet. That keyboard is really nice. Really big trackpad. That is sweet as hell. And little Lenovo symbol right there with a webcam up top. Oh, I can't wait to use this. This is nice. This isn't too bad at all. This is really, really, really nice. This is really, really, really cool. I like this. I'll be right back, guys. And yeah, I'm back. And oh, what's this? Another one? Oh, there's another one. Telemarketer, why do you have to interrupt the video?
Hello.
Why do you have to interrupt my video?
Calling about your federal
Why do you have to interrupt my video?
You've been approved for forgiveness of your loan.
I don't care.
To be connected
You
with our
interrupted my
office,
video. I'm making a video here. You interrupted it. Fuck you. You piece of shit scammers. Okay, I'm back. So as you can see, these are the two laptops right here. There's one right here, and there's another one right here. So, I have two. They're both the same type of laptops. They're both the same laptops, no different at all. Same specs, same everything, no difference. As you can see, they're both the same. So, that's really nice. But this one is mine. This laptop right here, this one is mine. This one is not mine. This one is mine. But this one is not mine. This one is my mom's. This one is mine. So that's why I have two. Oh, Snowball, you coming out to say hi? Oh, she's coming down to say hi. You coming down? No. Don't rub against the laptop. No. Go. Get. Oh, jeez. Come on, Snowball. Don't rub against the new laptop. If you want to rub against a laptop, rub against this laptop. Don't rub against the new laptop. This laptop is brand new. Come on, Snowball. Use some sense. Come on. I love you, but damn. Well, I hope everyone enjoys that video. This is a Power 99 FM here, saying peace and stay classy, yo. And thank you everybody for 318 Power Family members. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe and comment. Oh, there's no comment pillow. But comment, like, and subscribe and comment if you're new to my channel. They should make a comment pillow. There's no comment pillow. They should make one. Come on, Throwboy, make a comment pillow. Please make a comment pillow. You need to make one. It would make sense. Oh well. So, I guess that's it, guys. This is the Power 99 FM here, saying peace and stay classy, yo. And I see you in the next one. Alexa, repeat that.
Slide late and comment to the Power 99 FM.
Well, it got close. Points for trying, Alexa. Points for trying. Points for trying. At least you said the Power 99 FM good. So, that's good.